How to add McDonald's gift card to your app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add McDonald's gift card to your app. So let us begin. First, just open up your McDonald's app. After you open your app, make sure that you're logged into your account. After you've done that, you will see the orders section under here. Tap on orders. This is the one right here. And after you tap on order, just place your order. Just select whatever you want to order, and after you are done with that, just order whatever you like. Under the choose payment section, tap on choose payment, and when you're about to pay, check if it accepts card. After you find that, and if it does accept card, all you need to do is type in the code and just place your order, and the discount will be provided. And that is how you add McDonald's gift card to your McDonald's app. And that is all for this video. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.